no.
I got a bump on my knee.
Oh no.
Take a feel.
Sorry. Is the whole thing a bump?
I mean, baby.
You can see that face in the corner. Okay. Did you just burp? That was so rude. Hello, people of the internet. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have two guests. Introduce yourselves, guests.
I'm Allie.
Hi, I am Nona.
So, wow, that was a pop of color. So today's video, I figured I would put them to the test, put them to work, and make them try to do one of my makeup tutorials. Because I've never really like witnessed someone following my makeup tutorials. I'm very interested to see how this works and if my tutorials are actually doable, or if I'm just crazy and I've been making makeup tutorials and they make no sense. So we're here to test that out today.
You will find out today.
Coming soon to video.
Well, it's coming right now.
yeah.
Well,
They're watching
soon
it
for
right
us.
now.
Yeah, okay.
Then hi.
Okay, good introduction. Okay.
Yay! Insert applause.
And I think about killing myself, and I love myself way more than I love you, so.
Up here, okay.
Hello, people of the internet. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video, and you have to pretend like
You have such nice teeth.
I know.
3 years of braces, man.
Hey, future
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna look like. You ready? Okay, I guess we could have skipped the introduction.
I'm
altogether,
watching the
'cause
video.
You're not learning anything new in the introduction. I love how Jesse waxing my armpits is part of my introduction.
I would.
I love
Oh,
that.
no.
Oh, we have an ad! I love this.
This is what we need, right?
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, okay, are we pausing it now?
Okay, so we're gonna put foundation first.
Well, I don't use foundation, so I always say this at the beginning, but if you want to put foundation on,
Okay.
go for it.
Okay. It's a bad skin day,
Your
so
skin's
I
that perfect?
Yeah.
Okay, this actually has a blurring
steal
effect.
this?
Yeah, that's meant to be stolen.
Come on,
'Cause I'm not
go
really
forward.
doing that.
Come on.
Yeah.
Forth.
Just gotta shake it a little bit.
Shake,
Yeah, get the crusties out. Okay, now you guys are manning the video from now on. I am hands off, hands free.
Okay.
Allie, is this a race on who can put their foundation on past her?
Okay.
I got you. I got you.
We're gonna have like speed racer music.
I'm not good at makeup.
I look so like a vampire.
matches my skin right now. I'm not even gonna attempt that. I'm just very much so a finger girl.
I feel like now I was a bit
But I don't
ready
have
for
a
the
sponge.
exam.
I have expanded hands. Here we go.
I have never done this, so we will see.
Oh, this is exciting.
I have never had to set anything in my life.
Love it.
This thing is actually really cool. I can kind of, no, or maybe I'm just being too excited about the fact that I'm doing a new step and it actually doesn't make any difference.
That one probably.
Okay, we set ourselves.
So if you got your base down, it should just look something like this. Just clean little canvas with your eyebrows.
You look like
You can draw in your eyebrows however you want.
Fun fact, I use mascara to darken my eyebrows.
Really?
Yeah. Thank you. What a hero.
I guess are your eyebrows like black then?
Yeah. I always forget people have different colored hair.
Yep. That's a thing. that is
Yeah, well also because I came from a land where everybody only has
a
black
land,
hair.
a mystical land.
Yeah.
I guess that's true. Everyone would like have black hair. Hey?
Yeah, the most that you would see is like slightly, ever so slightly, like brown hair.
Brown hair.
But other than that, but here in Canada, everybody's diverse in everything, even in hair color.
We got diversity.
Diversity. Thank you.
I gotta
for being
stop
so
narrating
patient.
you guys.
I'm very patient.
Sailor Moon palette.
I have this palette still.
Ooh.
Here,
Popped up.
Wow, guys, look.
that almost blends into the skin a little bit. This is just like a nude pink kind of color. We're
What
gonna
color
darken
was it?
the ends a little bit.
Oh wow.
The nude.
The nude.
The pink nude. Like this. Oh, I don't think that's a pink nude. Well, Well, it's all there already.
Okay, I'm just gonna follow you because you did that, and so I don't want you to be alone.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
I don't even know if
Did I do
brush.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Eyeshadows are like my worst, like thingy-majiggy.
Oh, me too.
It's okay. This is a pretty messy one. Like it's
Okay.
not very precise.
I think this is good enough.
Perfect. It's perfect.
My brush. I'm gonna be taking these two. It's like a mixture of a dark
Okay.
pink and a light pink.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna be taking those both on my brush. Super pigmented. And just putting that around the outer corner of my eye.
Oh, now it's getting
So this palette is
intermediate
super
level.
big.
Intermediate for sure. Oh, I took a lot.
I'm gonna blow it.
Outer, on the outer. Whoa! Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah, get into it. If I pull off this look, I'm really gonna be proud of myself, to be honest.
I feel like you both will.
Okay.
I mean, I have so much faith.
Sure.
All right, we're ready for.
I would recommend you get this one if you're looking for these types of colors. I absolutely adore it. The next thing I'm going to do with the exact same brush and the same colors is just swoop it under the eye. Get a little swoop in kind of a diagonal motion like so.
Diagonal
Okay.
motion. Diagonal motion. Diagonal motion.
If you say it out loud, I think it'll come true.
So I think I'm a little more pink than what you look right now. But let's go with it for now.
I think you guys just need more confidence in yourself. I think you're looking good.
Thank you.
I mean, usually you're quite honest, so actually
It's
I take it back a little
get
bit.
under there with lots of pigment. It looks a little crazy right now, but
I feel that.
Okay.
Got it.
A different brush just to say I used two different brushes.
Yeah, this is my second brush.
And this is my second brush. It's
Sure.
not the right one, but it has glitters
Actually,
on
that's
it.
wait. So going in the crease, I'm just gonna go like this. That's a crease. Crevices. Cool.
Yeah, it was good, like windshield wiper motion.
Yeah.
You got it. Is that what your windshield wiper sound like?
Yeah. Woodland Fairy. Is that what it's called?
15-minute Halloween look.
Cool. Ain't gonna take me 15. I'm real bad. I look like Maddie right now.
Yeah, we're practically twins.
And I'm the Filipino Maddie right now.
I look really scary on camera.
I think you look gorgeous.
I look like I haven't slept in 10 days.
I'm taking our blending brush. I'm just gonna dip it into like a light pink here
Okay.
and just work this.
I feel like I have no more eyelids left. Like, you still have space on your eyelids. Like, for me, nothing. Nada.
I have really big eyes.
I love when people have big eyes. All I can do is watch you do it, because I don't have any more eyelids. Pull an eyebrow or something. Okay.
Confidence is key.
Taking the same brush, I'm going in with a hot pink.
Oh. That's as good
Okay.
as you're gonna get.
Okay.
That's good!
Yeah.
It looks like if I had a child and my child was like,
I don't put makeup on you.
then it would look like this.
No, I think it looks very nice.
Oh, that's so sweet.
The one from the video.
Oh, nice. See, I'm very unprepared.
And you can put it just like in the sun-kissed areas. So
Sun kiss.
basically the whole
And then there's more blushes in here too.
Wow.
Okay, wow. Options.
Options.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want the tips. If anyone has anything in the comments, I won't be upset. But maybe I will. So don't be too harsh.
I also like tips. The one that goes jiggle, jiggle. In your pockets. No, man, not like that. I didn't even realize they both jiggle.
You guys were both talking about tips and I'm wanting them so bad.
I didn't think that through.
Got it.
I thought I was being so clever. And no, I was not.
You were, you just didn't realize it.
Yeah.
Is it too dark?
Oh.
Let me see how dark you're doing.
kind of trail off. gonna darken this up even more.
Oh, more.
There we go. Now I can see over everyone.
I might be messing it up.
It's kind of weird, but I promise you, with the details, it'll all come together.
I think I did a little too much.
It's never too much.
Okay, good.
I love how you're like down diagonally doing it.
It's like your face adjusts and not the brush.
Yeah.
Keeps the brush in the same spot,
Yeah.
moves her face around it.
That's usually actually what I do.
So far, I feel like I'm a little bit like, wow, I'm actually doing it.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Hello?
I thought I was gonna do worse.
Apart, but we're gonna rouge up those. Ow! Which really hurts for me because I just got myself a pierced, but that's okay.
Too.
It feels like I just gave myself a red mustache. I think I put too
I
much.
think I'm starting to look like you.
Liner and just making freckles.
Okay, so I only have one of those, so you're gonna have to do it one at a time.
Okay, that's fine.
You can go first.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I was gonna ask you to go first.
I need some time. Believe in you.
Alright, I did it. My first shot.
Yay!
Okay. Okay.
Very randomized.
Was there even freckles? Oh yeah, there was. It doesn't look as good as yours.
It's literally random dots.
Alright. Yeah.
I mean, this is technically a Halloween look, so.
Try my best.
I think I look more like a deer than like
You know,
An elf.
but like it's woodland fairy, so like it kind of is like, it
A
does
deer.
give deer vibes.
yeah, I would say so. I'm liking it more and more as I look at it.
Nice blush.
Liking it. He's liking it.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, real,
Oh.
get real in there.
Oh my god.
Right there, the outer corner. I'm gonna try to knock it on the lashes because
Okay.
Okay.
I can do it.
She's like, I'm feeling confident right now. Okay.
Oh, good.
Good job. Good work.
Okay.
I think that was pretty good.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Oh, good. Oh, you ready for the next step?
I'm already.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so we're gonna be going in with a black eyeliner now. Finally, we're using black instead of
Oh no,
white.
eyeliner is so
We're gonna
bad.
be doing
I don't like
the
eyeliner because I can't put it on properly. Oh
Oh.
wow! It is so nice.
black liner. You're just gonna want to
I never put eyeliner last too.
Oh
Did you both in it?
There. And oh god. There. Okay. No pressure. I think yours looks good. My eyes are watering because I'm staring so much. I got one side. I'm feeling good. Feeling confident about this side. But the next side, not so confident. I'm so nervous. I don't know what to do with myself. Okay.
I'm literally crying.
But I don't know why.
Crying.
Why am I crying? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
So how confident are we feeling now?
No.
Not confident.
Oh my god. I don't even know. I'm just gonna put a little. I put a star on mine.
Oh, nice.
What did you do?
It's a nice little extra one.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, we're looking better. I just need to fix up the line.
1 eternity later.
I'm gonna call them pretty even.
Oh, the battery's gonna die soon. Look at that red flash.
Do we change it?
I think so.
Change it.
Okay.
Battery.
I'll stay in the exact same spot so then when it comes back it looks like this.
Okay, look at yourself in the camera right now. Okay, well, I was gonna say from where you were, but yeah, you can hop right up there.
Does it look good?
I think it looks
so.
amazing. Just one side. Because the one side looks good. But this one, oh god, and that's when it focused too. Only one side.
Honestly, I feel like you guys look so similar to the video right now.
Everything was going good up until the eyeliner.
Alrighty, I'm just gonna go put on some false lashes and then we're gonna move on to the final steps. Okay.
Nice.
So do I have to put mascara on?
So,
or do you want to?
Yeah.
if you want to use false lashes, I have some.
Oh. It's so hard. I need you to do it. I need
what?
you to fix me. My nails are too long.
Do what? It's in. It's on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
I feel that sometimes.
You're gassy.
Yeah. No, Maddie did not help me.
What?
Magic.
No. Hey, that's good technique.
Yeah.
Here, I can grab it.
Thank you.
Maddie, should we order some food after?
Yeah, sure.
I'm hungry.
Wow, those lashes! They just do something.
They add to the look.
How you guys feeling?
Pretty good.
Just like white body paint. I don't actually know what white mascara.
Fun.
Thanks, Dad, for the eyelashes.
Is that good?
Yeah. It's all coming together, see?
If I knew the steps that I had to do, it would definitely be a 15-minute look though.
Yeah, you know, like
definitely
it's not,
15 minutes.
because
Like
it doesn't
once-
need to be so precise either.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I'm going to be going in with the color Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Shimmery color. And next we're going to be putting that
Oh, thank you. See this one?
Oopsie.
It's a unicorn.
Unicorn.
Oh, it's literally called unicorn. Oh, okay. I see. I see.
My eyes are getting so blurry. It's like
There's
leaving them
just so
open
much on there.
for so long.
Yay.
That sounded not yay.
Bless you.
She touched
red
this.
lip liner. We're
Ooh.
going to be using, so we're going to go line the upper lip.
Oh, I read the
I'm
manual.
just going to be going over top of this now with like a neutral pink.
Concealer or
Going
something.
in with my lipstick. This is in the shade
Oh,
Whirl by
no concealer?
Yeah, it's after this.
Okay.
And then you blend it in.
Oh, wow, okay. Oh. I kind of like that look. Wow. I don't know.
I like it. Very cute.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Ooh.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how easy was it? 10 being the easiest, 1 being the most difficult, to follow the tutorial.
To follow the
being
tutorial,
the easiest?
Yeah.
I would say 10. It's really easy to follow.
Yeah, it's
not
pretty easy.
like it's not confusing.
Okay.
I think it's just like I'm not good at doing it, so
Yeah, I mean, I think you guys, it looks good. Do you guys feel like woodland fairies?
Yep.
yeah, no doubt about it.
If I had wings right now, I'd fly across the yard.
I'd fly away right now without wings. I'd just jump out the window.
Just why? They're there. Aw, 2 babies.
No ma'am.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like it,
Give it a thumbs up, Rooney.
if you want to see more videos by me, subscribe.
Can I hold it?
Sure. You can hold the subscribe button.
Oh yeah. My name is Nona, and I also have a channel called Nonana is my name. So if you want to subscribe to that, you can also subscribe to that.
There you go. I hope this was entertaining. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So cute. Bye. Bye. Ow.
There's a black sheep, that's for sure.
Oh, maybe this? Nope.
Show it off a little bit.
Okay, I wanted to show it.
If it gets you, it's gonna get me.
It's gonna get me.